Needs more limiter. Like, subscribe, comment. That wasn't shit. What's up, y'all? It's Nasty Nate. If you can't see behind me, I got a little surprise, but I'm not even gonna tell you about it. I'm just gonna show you. For those of y'all that don't know what this is a WR250X, and yes, your boy has stepped over into the supermoto world. All right, so here she is. Give you a little closer look. Sumo wheels, Yoshi exhaust, 12 bar. This thing was fully set up when I bought it, but no hate to anybody that's got them set up, but to me, it's just, I wanted it as more like that dirt bike style. So it actually had a handbrake. I took the handbrake off. I took the stunt pegs off. The handbrake is sold, but the stunt pegs are still for sale. The 12 bars for sale. Hit me up. So it had a handbrake on there. It also had one of those funky Chinese clutches. Obviously, I had to take that off and put the RSC on. This thing is in pretty good shape. I think it's got like 13,000 miles on it, which is pretty good for an 08, especially for somebody that rode it a lot. Couple things here. So I had done some research on these things, and I've also asked around because there is a big local group of dudes that ride these out here, which is one of the reasons I bought it, is because I wanted to be able to ride with the crew all the time. And everybody said, yo, if you're coming from a 636, do not get a 250. It's gonna be underpowered. You're not gonna like it. I didn't listen, because I knew what I was getting into with getting a 250 for a couple reasons. One, the price. So you get something like this. I got it fully stunted out, set up, everything you'd ever need for 3,800 bucks. I kind of thought I was gonna sell the stunt parts because I didn't like the idea of having a dirt bike with handbrake and all that bullshit on it. So I knew I was gonna get at least like $800 back. So now I'm $3,000 in the bike, okay? I don't know about Sumo Life. I don't know if it's for me. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with it. So I didn't want to spend 6,500 bucks on a 450 without it being set up, because that's what they're going for in my area, or 11,000 on the bike that I really want, the KTM 350, which you can't get used because they're brand new. I wasn't about to drop almost 12 G's out the door just to find out if I did or did not like something. So that's why I got the 250. I'm learning to love it. I'm learning to love that it's underpowered. I'm learning how to ride it. I'm learning how to wheelie it. I'm learning that little bounce that the Grom guys do to get the bike up in the air. You know, it's all learning curve. So, you know, another big reason that I bought that bike is because everybody knows with the 60 tooth and with all the stump parts and with all the things that are supposed to be on the Cowie that aren't necessarily, and I won't say that on camera, but it's not as fun to just ride around. Like, I don't jump on the Cowie just to go to the store. I don't jump on the Cowie, you know, to go out to eat. I don't. I tow it wherever I go, and then I unload at the meetup spot, and then I ride streets and I load it up. This thing, I ride it to the meetup spot. I ride it to the grocery store, I ride it just to mess around, I ride it everywhere. So that was another reason that I bought this thing, was to have a motorcycle that I could put on the road and, you know, not get messed around with. So I'm excited. I'm excited to have some fun. You know, who knows if I'm going to stick with it? Who knows if I'm going to keep it? Who knows if I'm going to just ride it for the summer and see how I like it and then get a 450? I don't know. But I know that I'm excited for this new venture, this new style of riding, this new style of stunting, this new style of content that you guys are gonna see from me. So my GoPro setup is still broken. I can't figure out what's wrong with it. So stay tuned. When I get that back, we'll get the moto vlogs going on the 250, because the 636 is down for powder. And then when that's back, I have 2 bikes, and you're going to see a lot more content with me coming from there, because we'll have the sumo rides, we'll have the stunt rides coming. So stay tuned, man, and drop a comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. You're already here, you might as well hit like or even dislike on this video, man, because it's still driving traffic. So it's your boy Nasty Nate, and I'm signing out.